Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I make money with the Virtual Cashflow System. Now, what is the Virtual Cashflow System? This is a system that was created by fellow YouTuber and internet marketer Danny Cash. All right, so the system basically allows you to turn $10 into over, man, my chair cracking like a bitch. What? Anyway, this system allows you to turn $10 into over $12,000, right? And I'm gonna show you how that's possible in a second. But so what is the actual system? What are you getting, for $10? All right. So for $10, you're actually buying views, right? You're buying traffic to your offer. So this is great for affiliate marketers or network marketers. Now, if you have your own product or service, you still can use it, but you still would want to use it like using a like an opt-in page, like something you want to promote, like I said, a squeeze page where you're getting someone's name and email, or just email. All right, now if you really wanted to, you probably could send somebody just directly to a sales page, but it's not recommended. All right, but anyway, so for $10 you get a certain amount of views. All right, now, once you decide to move up, there's different levels in the Virtual Cashflow System. So once you buy your views, you pay your $10, right? Now, once you get a couple commissions, you take the profit from your future commissions, right? Because you're promoting the Virtual Cashflow System. So once you get 4 commissions, 4 $10 sales, you take $20 out of that, and then you move up to the next level. The next level will get you more views to your offer, right? So you're actually getting something, right? And then you get more commissions promoting the Virtual Cashflow System, and then you just keep moving through the ranks. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it, and I'm gonna let Danny Cash herself explain it to you, all right? But doing this system will actually allow you to generate a huge income, right? Oh, how did I promote this product and how did I get commissions really fast? All right, me personally, I used Facebook Reels. Now, before I get into that, obviously I use YouTube because I'm on YouTube every day, right? But I seen these commissions come from, I knew they came from Facebook Reels. Okay, so basically all I did was, once I joined Virtual Cashflow System, I just made some reels. I made like 2 of them. And one of them was basically saying like, hey, do you want to learn how you can turn $10 into over $12,000, right? Check out the link in the description. So, or I said like, check out the link in the comments. So you want to use words like that. Why? Because it's real. This is what the opportunity is based around. You can actually take a one-time $10 payment and turn it into a huge income if, and the key word is if you really work the system, if you really grind. A lot of people, when they see stuff like that, they really feel like, wait. So if I pay $10, right, in 3 days, I should get 12,000, right, just sent back to me. Now you should know things don't work like that. You gotta really work this system. All right, have I made over $12,000 yet from a Virtual Cashflow System? No. Have I got some commissions so far? Yes. All right, do I believe you could do the same thing? Yes, if you grind. I'm telling you how I did it. All right, so like I said, Facebook Reels are hot right now, at least as I'm recording this video, and they're so simple to do. All right, so once you sign up with the Virtual Cashflow System, right, you get it all set up because you want to have everything, just go through the steps once you sign up, right? And do you have to be an affiliate? Because somebody asked me that. You don't technically have to have your own products or have an affiliate program that you're promoting, because you can actually just promote the Virtual Cashflow System if you want to, right? And I'll explain that to you if you join, and I can talk to you, whatever. But no, you can literally let that be your opportunity, but you're not going to promote that within the Virtual Cashflow System, if that makes sense, right? But if you just want to start, if you want something to promote that you can start promoting like today, then yes, you can just use the Virtual Cashflow System as that. if that makes sense. If not, just rewind the video and think about it. But yeah, guys, like that's what I did to start generating my first few commissions with the virtual cash flow system. I use Facebook Reels, and don't just post one video, like post 2-3 videos, right? And just talk about the opportunity, right? Use, you know, the words affiliate marketing, make money, network marketing. Use that in the title of your Facebook Reels, as well as your hashtags in your Facebook Reel. And be sure to put the link to the cash flow system, the virtual cash flow system, in the comments of your Facebook Reel, right? Some people put them in the description, and maybe that still work. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But you'd be better off just putting your virtual cash flow link in the comment section of your Facebook Reel. All right. And be consistent, guys. You can make this work. If you want to get started with the virtual cash flow system today, all you got to do is click the first link in the description of this video. See how I just did that? Now there you go. So just in case you was confused about like how you can turn $10 into over 12,000, I'm about to jump to Danny Cash, and she explains the compensation plan. Hopefully you get excited and see the potential, and I will see you in the program.
Alright, in this video I'm going to be giving you a demonstration on how the virtual cash flow system works. Alright, now within the system there are 4 levels to each stage, and there are 3 stages, and everyone begins at stage 1, level 1. Alright, so you are starting with a $10 investment. Alright, so when you begin stage 1, level 1, you are going to send that $10 to your upline. Okay, and that is going to unlock your level 1, and you will be able to receive 4 payments in return. Okay, so once you receive 4 payments, that is a total of $40 that is paid to you directly to the wallet of your choice. Okay, so what you're going to use is that $40 to upgrade to level 2, and this is not coming out of your pocket. Remember, what came out of your pocket was the initial $10 investment. Alright, so from the $40 that you have earned, this is profit, and you're going to use that to upgrade to level 2. Alright, so when you get to level 2, that is $20 to upgrade. Alright, and this $20 goes to the second upline above your sponsor. Okay, so that is how this works. So the first level goes to the first upline, and then the $20 level goes to the second upline. Okay, and that is going to unlock your level 2. And so on your level 2, that is the second level, and it's 16 payments of $20. Okay, so now you get to earn on level 2 and collect 16 payments, $20 payments paid directly to you, and that is a total of $320. So now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take that $320 and you're going to upgrade to level 3. Okay, so level 3 is a $30 payment, and that goes to your third upline. Okay, so now you have your first level, your second level, and now you're on your third level. Alright, so once you have paid your third upline, the $30, now you have unlocked level 3, and that is 64 payments. So now you're going to get 64 payments from your third level, $30 payments. Okay, so what that's going to equal is $1,920. So now you want to continue to upgrade to the next level. Okay, so you're going to take your $1,920, you're going to take $40 of that, and you're going to upgrade to level 4. Alright, so you guessed it, from level 4, that $40 payment goes to your fourth upline. Okay, so now you have unlocked level 4, and that is 256 payments that will come to you. That is $40, okay, on level 4. Alright, and that is a total of $10,240 that will be paid to you on level 4. Alright, so then you will do the same thing. You will take the payment out of that commission, out of those commissions, and you will go to stage 2 and complete the same process. Now, once you have completed stage 1 altogether, you will have earned altogether $12,520, okay? And that is a total of 340 people that will have completed all 4 levels of stage 1, and these people are going to continue to follow you into stage 2, and hopefully you can see the vision and see just the potential of the income that you can make when you are in this platform and following this simple steps, just going from level to level, using your commissions to upgrade, okay? And you have more than enough to get to stage 3, all right? So everyone that follows this video, I'm wishing you much success. This is just super exciting. All you have to do is take your time, refer your 4 people and continue through the levels and just watch the different commissions come in every single day. All right. Thanks for joining the Virtual Cashflow System, and I wish you much success.